Hey everyone, welcome to Moving Matt. We do vlogs, travel, and some camera stuff. And this is Camera Wars, the show where we give you the latest camera news and let you know just how the battle is heating up. First up, CES has come and gone, and something was noticeably absent from the show, and that was the Sony A93, which had previously been rumored multiple times by Sony Alpha Rumors. Now, Sony did have some other exciting news, more on that later, but the longer-rumored A93 wasn't one. Now, according to Sony Alpha Rumors, there is a new, quote, wild rumor that a new camera is going to be announced mid-February. They go on to say that 3 cameras have been registered, and we should be hearing something in the next month or two. Now, I don't know if these things will come to pass, but I do know that Sony Wild Rumors should be the site's new name. But we aren't done with Sony, because CES did give a little, but not much new information about the new Sony drone called Air Peak. This is going to be a drone to carry Sony Alpha Rumor cameras, and not a commercial drone as we've come to know them by DJI. I will be interested to see the price and specs of this drone, because I can see this being a great drone option for Sony shooters, if the price is right.
The price is wrong, bitch.
Continuing on with Sony, they did announce a new 35mm 1.4G Master lens. This is a sleek and light lens standing just shy of 4 inches long.
That's what she said.
And weighing only 1.2 pounds. This new lens is getting high praise all over YouTube for its sharpness, bokeh blades, and overall design. It is now available for pre-order at B&H and will set you back $1,398. Next up, according to Canon Rumors, Canon has launched the Canon CSat-1 microsatellite emulator, so you can now take pictures from space. Apparently, the new site will allow you to take pictures from the satellite that was launched back in 2017. That satellite was equipped with a modified EOS 5D Mark III. They go on to say that Canon is spending a lot on R&D on space imaging. It seems they will be launching more cameras into space in the future. I guess the big question left is, if they launch the R5 into space, will it still overheat? But space cameras isn't the only thing going up at Canon. Apparently, Canon has exceeded its sales projection for the fiscal year of 2020. This is coming to us via Canon Rumors that obviously use Google Translate on this Nikkei article. The article says that Canon's consolidated net income for the fiscal year ending in December 2008, Google Translated, will decrease by 36% from the previous year to 80 billion yen, which is 28 billion more than what was previously forecasted. So now let me retranslate the translation. Basically, Canon thought its sales would decrease a whole lot more in 2020, and instead it just decreased by 36%. So now they're celebrating. You know, I think I'm going to start making my future goals this way. In 2021, I expect I will gain 50 more pounds. And now at Christmas, when I've only gained 30, I'll call it a win and I can celebrate. With food, of course. All jokes aside, I'm glad to see that Canon did better in the crazy year that was 2020 than we expected. Let's just hope that in 2021, it's actually a sales increase. And speaking of increasing Canon, more rumors are out about the Canon EOS R1. According to Simon at The Ordinary Filmmaker, who says according to Canon News, a new high-speed stack sensor patent has been found. Apparently using a sensor like this would increase battery efficiency and also reduce heat. It is speculated that a sensor like this combined with the Digit 10 processor would be used in a high-resolution R5 to get up to 10 frames per second with an 80 to 90 megapixel sensor. Woo! Who knows what all this sensor tech could mean for the R1, but what we do know is that this is supposed to be Canon's flagship camera, and it will be the fastest stills camera that Canon has ever made. Having a sensor like this could definitely reduce the heat and improve battery life for major events such as the Olympics. This all seems intriguing to me, but what do you think? Drop in the comment section below and let me know. Well, that is the current state of the camera wars. If you've liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And until next time, peace.